Hey y'all, another little quick tutorial on how I'm going to take some kids' booties and customize it with a kind of like a high top. You're going to just add the fur around the rim. You're going to need some elastic and you're going to need measuring tape and some fur. You see this fur? I'll be right back. You're going to cut two pieces of fur or you can have it single, but I cut two and sewed them together on both ends and I add the elastic at top. This would be the bottom of the boot and hold up. And this is what it's going to look like when you turn it inside out. So it's going to go on the boot like this. All right. I'm going to line up the seams from the front seam to the back seam and you're going to see how it looks. I totally forgot that you're going to need some Beacon 3-in-1 glue where you're going to glue down the fur. And after you glue down, you can sew it so it can be permanent. With the glue, it's going to be permanent, but just to make sure it doesn't come off, you can hand sew it. So after you sew all your pieces together, you're going to turn it inside out. Let me just show you. So the elastic is going to go right here. So that's going to be around the children or the child's foot leg. All right. And this is how you're going to insert it. You're going to flip it inside out. You're going to take your booty inside, flip it upside down, and you're going to stuff it into the shoe. This is how you're going to attach the fur to the boot. You gotta stuff it as far as you can. Sometimes you can't. You're gonna just have to like keep on stuffing it. So once you stuff it all the way in, let me get that. And then you're gonna take your needle and thread, and you're going to sew. Cause see, like it's stuffed in, and you're going to like take your needle and thread, stick the thread through the fur like this, and then you're gonna pull it out. Once you pull it out, you're gonna stick it slightly on the inside of the boot and out, making sure it's attached. Once you sew all the fur around the boot, then you're gonna take your glue and then you're gonna put it around here and you're gonna just kind of like flip this over. But I'll be right back to show you. So now I'm finished sewing all the fabric, the fur around the boot, right? You're gonna take your glue and you're going to add glue around the rim of the boot, right? All the way around. And once you do that, add the glue, you're just gonna like lay the fur. Put some more glue on this side. The more the glue, the better secure it is. Mm. And I'll press down so it can like mash into the fur. Just cut the string off. Some more glue. So once you do all this and it dries, then this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna pull out the fur, and voila. So now, when the child put on the boot, it's gonna look like this. See that? Secure, and it's done. If you need step by step on how to do this, just let me know, and I'll go into more details. I know it's just like kind of last minute doing this, but I hope you like it. I'm about to do the other foot, and I'll let you know when I take it to my little friend. See if she love her boots custom. Bye me. Bye bye. So, what is a pair of boots without a little bag with a little purse for a little girl? You know what I'm saying? So, a little quick, easy little purse. See? And it has a zipper. This was so easy to make. I think I'm gonna do a tutorial. Boom. Easy. Yeah, you could put a lining, but I'm in a rush. So, cute little bag with her little boots. Her little booties. Matching. Can't tell her nothing, you heard? So this is for my little best friend. I will be seeing her soon, surprising her. Bye bye, for real.